We must hurry before they do something to Kagome.
I'm sure she can handle herself. She's probably got him cleaning their cave.
We can only hope. But if the rumors are to be believed, the Thunder Brothers do not keep pretty young ladies for long before devouring them.
Devouring them? Inuyasha, do you suppose Kagome is...
Get real. Didn't you hear him? He said pretty young ladies.
Yeah, she is pretty and brave and smart.
Isn't anyone gonna ask my opinion?
Oh, this is all my fault. She's probably being eaten alive as we speak.
Methinks perhaps it's not too late.
If it's not too much trouble, could we continue the search? We might be able to get to Kagome before the Thunder Brothers get hungry.
What's the rush? She ain't pretty, so they're definitely not gonna go for her.
We could always take a vote, and seeing as I have 4 hands instead of 2, I should be allowed to vote twice.
She'll come back and haunt me for this. I've heard the legends and I know how it works.
I did say pretty young ladies, it's true, and beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and Shippo might find her good-looking. I myself am fond of a more fleshy woman.
Quit gagging! I'm going, all right? Stop yapping at me and just point the way to the evil brothers!
Very impressive maneuver, dodging my lightning bolt, especially in light of your dull and uninspired conversation just now. You must be the reputed Inuyasha himself.
Master Inuyasha, that is Hiten, the elder of the Thunder Brothers.
Where's Kagome? What have you done with her?
Don't despair. We have done nothing to her as of yet. Monten!
Coming, brother! Behold!
Inuyasha!
Kagome! Well, at least they haven't hurt her. Yet.
Judging by your expression, it seems the girl spoke the truth. Now hand over the fragments of the Shikon jewel to me, or you'll never see your lover alive again!
See my lover?
Some people just can't take a joke.
There must be some misunderstanding. Let me get this straight. You and I are supposed to be lovers?
This is no time to get all shy.
You little vixen, I knew you were fibbing.
You actually think I'd hand over the jewel shards as a ransom to get you back?
Of course you would, because that's what a lover would do.
But we ain't lovers, and without love, the whole argument kinda falls apart.
So now some little gems are more important than me? How dare you say that after all we've been through together? In the meantime, you'd better admit to yourself how much you really love me.